how to create wall, sweep, and reveal. First, I need to draw a wall. Go to 3D. Here under Architecture tab, to access wall, reveal, and sweep, click the drop down here. And here, wall, sweep, and reveal are available. Click, and I can place by clicking, and I can change the position, whether horizontal or vertical. Let's go with vertical. Click, escape to see the sweep. To do the reveal, click the drop down here, click on wall reveal. I can change horizontal, vertical. I'm okay with vertical. Click once, escape. Here it is. I can edit by dragging the endpointers, and also I can create custom profiles to meet our preference. If we already have profiles, click on it, edit type. Here under construction, profile is the default. I can change by selecting the profile here that's available. Click OK. Here we go. Or if I don't have any profile that I want, I can create my own. To do that, go to Home tab, under Family, click New, find out Profile here, open, draw whatever shape using the line we want, something like this, a random shape. Save the family. It says family 3. Load into the project. Go to 3D, click edit type, under the profile, click here, family 3 is available. Click on it, click OK. Here we go. Click create similar, change horizontal, click escape. Now I've created my sweep, something like this.